when we look at a portfolio, we straightly just appreciate the hand-drawn manual sketches, which you can see the actual performance of this person, how he can sketch, how he can think new ideas. So that is quite a big point that you should do on a portfolio. When we get a portfolio, what we basically do is just, and you have to capture that moment of the director looking at your portfolio, and everything is photorealistic renders or digital productions of, you know, whatever project you did in your portfolio, and everything is so overly accessible to make your portfolio. And because the stuff that are all over the internet are so easily downloadable, it has almost less effect, because you see all these photorealistic renders and like awesome views, and you can just download it and do some more strokes on it, and then you sign your name, flip it horizontally, and then it is possible, and I think there are people doing that, which is quite a shame. You should have a final thing with a model. It would be even good, and digital model or not, but if a physical model, even better. But it's those hand-drawn sketches and how good your ideas are the crucial points, which I think a lot of the new young people usually, you know, jump onto this digital photorealistic renders.